If you ever wondered how election results in India can be challenged or even overturned, the Supreme Court's recent decision in Haryana's Buana Lakhu village is a perfect case study. Here's what happened. Mohit Kumar, who lost the Sarpanch election to Kuldeep Singh, alleged that votes were swapped at a polling booth. He didn't stop at the lower courts. He took his case all the way to the Supreme Court. Remarkably, the Supreme Court summoned all the EVMs from Panipat to Delhi, did its own recount and found that Mohit had actually won by 51 votes. For the first time, the Supreme Court itself conducted a recount of EVM votes. But can anyone challenge an election result so easily? Not really. Indian law says only a candidate or voter can file an election petition, usually before the state's high court or a district civil court for local polls, and it must be done within 30 to 45 days of the result. Courts can void an election on solid grounds like bribery, fake nomination papers, non-compliance with election laws, or if a counting mistake changes the outcome. However, recounts aren't taken lightly. They need hard evidence that a counting error likely happened. And yes, it's rare, but courts can declare a new winner if evidence shows that candidate actually got a majority of the valid votes. For example, in the 2024 Chandigarh mayor election, the Supreme Court found ballot errors and declared the real winner after correcting the vote count. So remember, free and fair elections depend on robust legal remedies and concrete proof, not just allegations. Do you think EVMs are best way to vote in elections? Comment your thoughts and follow Strive with IAS. Thank you.